Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make an aesthetic vanilla filter for your edited photos or videos on CapCut. So in this case, I'm using a photo, then I'm going to add the vanilla filter. So what you need to do is just click on the adjust and click on the brightness, lower it into -5. Then for the contrast, -20. Click on the exposure and lower it into -15, and then click on the sharpen, no, click on the grab, sorry, and then lower the grabs on the white color. Okay, so just a bit like this, and then go to highlight and lower it into -15. For the shadow, add it into 25. Then let's click on the temperature and increase it into 20. After that, you are done with the vanilla filter, and here is the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on thanks, like, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.